Right?
Well, they like it though.
Yeah, you do. Look how he gets to swimming. It's deep enough for him to swim. He in the swimming area.
Yep.
A lot of time the kids like to get to the swimming area. Oh, look at her. She's so brave.
Where her parents
I remember those days.
No, ma'am.
I'm sure they better be watching.
My parents, I would be glued to Brianna's hip.
Right? She's so tiny.
I would be glued to your hip.
She is so tiny. And that wave is only going to get... Look, the wave is going to get big. Watch how it get big. Whoa. That was right on my thigh. That was on my top thigh. Oh, and my foot almost lost. My foot almost lost balance. My foot almost lost balance. Whoa. Beach day, Cocoa Beach. Okay, it's gonna sneak up on us, guys. It'll act like it's little and then it'll be big. I lost my shades before like that.
That would be fun if you did it.
See, it's gonna go further and further. You're gonna feel it further and further up your thighs. Whoa, see, that was a big one. Sneaky wave. They're so sneaky. Go be by my foot, whatever that is. They're hanging on to my foot. Oh, Brianna's brave. The brave Brianna. She's way out there. Way out yonder. I'm too scared. I think this is my limit. The little girl knows what to do. I guess she's watching them waves. You have to. Look at them out there with that board. Whew. Okay, stop trying to make me fall. The wave's trying to put me down. Ooh, it makes me dizzy too. If you watch it, it'll start making you dizzy. Oh, Brianna's the bravest, cause yeah, no. I know it went up further. There's a big one. Whoa! Woo! They're getting bigger. They're coming to get you. I told you this ocean is an entity. It knows when it's fresh meat. They're like, she hadn't been here in a while. Let's get her. It acts like an entity after a while. Like something that's alive. And it knows new people when they come. Or when they haven't been here in a while. Well, beach day. I hope you guys can like the video. Woo. Or subscribe, like and subscribe. Would be nice. My daughter and granddaughter is visiting from Texas, Austin. Wow. That was a whammy. That one gave us a whammy. Boing. Yeah, I mean, you see it. When it gets darker is when it drops off. But it's just the waves. Oh, look how she jumped in the wave. Whoa!
Hey, want your glasses?
Careful with your glasses, because you'll lose them.
Hey, they'll come off the face.
But they'll come off.
Come off the face if you get caught
And you won't be able to find them because they're gone.
Take your glasses.
It happened to my wig, my shades.
Just saying that they can come right off.
Isn't that something to lose your wig? But I did. It was nighttime. Wow, look how big that one is. Oh! No. Okay, that was sneaky.
It's coming.
That was a sneaky one.